Guys, I have it on good authority that the Tiffany Stratton action figure is about to take the place of that other doll everyone played with growing up.
The following is a handicap match. Making her way to the ring from Prior Lake, Minnesota, Tiffany Stratton.
Stratton is high class all the way, from her looks to her in-ring skills.
More like overprivileged, spoiled brat.
Bite your tongue, Saxton.
Clearly a polarizing superstar.
Well, Tiffany Stratton sure hasn't made many friends in WWE.
Who needs friends when you've got a bank account like she does?
Yeah, Saxton.
And their opponents, first, from Greensboro, North Carolina.
Hey, where's the horse?
What are you talking about?
Yeah, what horse?
The high horse this superstar always seems to be on.
Did Jerry Lawler write that line for you?
Such a talented competitor. I think we're about to see one of her best matches yet.
And from El Paso, Texas, Sara, Evelyn.
Take a look at the talent in competition here. You can see exactly why the WWE Universe is so amped up for this one.
She's been training for this match for quite a while, and she plans on making a statement here tonight.
Guys, I don't understand agreeing to be on the handicap side of a handicap match. Would someone care to enlighten me?
Some superstars just have more brawn than brains, Cole.
Hey, but if they can pull off the upset, it would be quite the cause for celebration. You can't deny that, guys.
Oh no, trapping the arm. Vicious stomps to the hand.
Goodness gracious. Absolutely brutal.
Ruthless.
Moonsault.
Incredible agility.
And Stratton is showcasing her arsenal.
A series of disabling maneuvers from Tiffany.
Shoulder tackle. Comes in off the tag. Tiffany manages to counter. Powerbomb! Cover! 2 count. She kicks out with force. What does she have to do to put her away?
I'm asking myself the same question. I have no idea.
That's gotta be it. It only gets a 1 count.
Giving a massive effort to overcome the pin attempt.
Popped up. Meteora.
Cover! And she breaks the count.
Amazing effort by her. Oof.
Now here's where you start to really see strategies form in this handicap situation.
If you're on the strong side, it's about constant offense. If you're overmatched, maybe try to isolate your preferred competitor and wear them down. We're in it for the long haul now, Cole. Nice deep arm drag.
Boom, what a kick. Standing shooting star press, incredible.
Wow, what agility.
Scratching and clawing, this could be it.
kicked out? No way! She actually kicked out? Oh! There's a tag. Opponent off the ropes. Back body drop. Moved at the right time.
And that was an efficient display of offense with that maneuver. Placed into the corner. Bang! Will it be? Shoulder shoots up before two.
Unbelievable display of will in the late stages of this matchup.
Here comes that rolling fireman's carry.
Nice rolling fireman's carry.
Uh-oh, second rope.
Oh, that might be the best moonsault ever. I agree. Stratton is just about to finish this.
She's sent back in under the ropes. Got the tag. Got the tag.
Hey. Popped up.
Meteora. For the win. Two. Fights out at two.
So close. That could have been it.
She's sent flying into the corner.
Hard shot delivered by Tiffany. Stratton. Now Stratton all the way up to the top. Screw Stratton bomb.
Will Tiffany put it away here?
Shoulders down.
Kicks out. Just kicked out.
What is it going to take to keep her down?
The answer might be more than her opponent can offer.
Big maneuver executed perfectly, but still was not enough. Just a relentless assault from Tiffany.
A series of disabling maneuvers from Tiffany.
Arm drag.
Nicely done.
The fatigue is setting in for her.
Carefully measured knee drop.
How's that for a counter? Look at this. Boom. Nice.
Top rope, putting it all on the rope.
Launching. Oh, look out.
Big time risk pays off.
The daredevil in you comes out when you take risks like that. She was clearly waiting. This can't bode well.
Emphatically delivered.
Does that finish Stratton for good?
We're seeing an unbelievable performance in front of us.
And how these competitors are still surviving is beyond explanation.
Gotta find a way back. A rope step! Oh, God, that's a bad landing.
An absolutely foolhardy decision made there.
That can be very costly. Don't know if the risk was worth it. Vicious, downright savage club right there.
Oh, no, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow.
She's starting to tire a little.
Yeah, but at this point in a handicap match, you have to expect some lasting damage. Considering the situation, things could be far worse.
Big knee to stop the maneuver. Boom!
This match is coming down to the last second. Someone's got to get back to the ring now.
No, they beat the count.
Just barely. Oh, Paula powerbomb.
Oh, there's the old stump puller leg snap.
That's going to hurt. Tear your hamstring.
Springboard. She makes the tag.
She is unleashed. Double underhook. Down with the powerbomb.
Set up in the corner of the ring. Right in the jaw.
Oh, what a shot. Kick to the lower back.
Stratton was scouted there.
no apprehension to putting one's body on the line.
Got the leg. Ooh, a dragon screw. That'll destroy a knee. Impressive reversal there. Oh, solid form. That offense really hitting her hard.
Still, this is about as good a position you can hope to be in this late in a handicap match.
The WWE Universe is showing their appreciation for the action they're seeing.
It has been an absolute war out there. These superstars' efforts are not lost on this crowd. Hoisted up into a knee. Sent a message with that one.
Is it enough? The cover! Oh, and she picked up a monumental win.
Here are your winners.
Gotta hand it to our winner, standing tall with her arm raised tonight.
No doubt about it. The better superstar definitely won tonight.
And we're underway. This unfortunate superstar has to face two opponents simultaneously.
It's tough to take on one WWE superstar, but two of them working in tandem? This might not last long, Michael.
The weakening arm breaker.
I don't know who's feeling this more, her or the crowd. Adding a level of...
Beautiful takedown.
Into the setup.
Oh, Campbell clutch.
There it
Campbell
is.
clutch.
Imagine all the pain and yet still the heart to fight, the will to survive.
Hurricanrana.
Oh, look at this. Oh, man. Inside out.
Is it possible that the side with a numbers game in a handicap match could have a disadvantage?
Absolutely. The handicap's usually there for a reason, and that's because the other side has certain advantage.
A rope step! Oh, straight to the floor!
I don't care how bold you are, missing on those kind of maneuvers will send you to a medical facility.
Medical attention might be needed out here. That was a nasty landing.
Body slam.
Nice side headlock applied. Oh, and a right hand for good measure.
She's starting to look concerned.
Neck breaker into a butterfly suplex.
Oh! Waist slip.
Yeah, raw power there.
Spine buster.
She's firing up, no doubt about it. Go for the arm bar and a punishing stretch.
And that damage to the shoulder could be an ongoing factor now. It might limit range of motion in the entire arm.
All the way over.
She can end it here. Oh, that was close.
This match continues.
Places her right in the corner.
Uh-oh. Face full of turnbuckle. This won't end well.
This one is headed outside, guys. She needs to stop saying she's going to bring it and actually deliver on the promise. Engineering.
Right on the mark.
This could do it. Referee breaks the count. Looks like a rope break.
Letting her opponent know she is ready for anything.
Tiffany manages to counter. Oh, boom.
Oh, nice deep arm drag.
She's getting back up, but she might be down again soon.
Off the rope. Oh, that is the attitude of a daredevil. The ability to take risk with minimal trepidation.
No fear, absolute reckless abandon.
Power bomb dropped in.
Popped up.
Meteor Just carrying the opposition anywhere they want. She manages to get control. Hooked up. Double underhook.
Powerbomb. She's getting fired up, ready to show her opponent what she's got.
She's in for it now.
Double underhook suplex.
She shoots up the top rope.
Dangerous thinking.
Strong impact. At this point, this is incredibly ill-advised. You're in the middle of a match. She's into the ring again. She wants to take this one outside the ring, it seems.
Stratton that she's on a different level.
And countouts are legal, so hopefully this will be a short trip outside.
Telling her opposition, you are
out of the ring. She has to mind the 10 count.
Oh, jarring back elbow. Oh, here it comes.
Good night. What a stunner. Ultimate insult to injury with that stolen move.
No.
Just exhibiting their fearlessness.
Exhibiting guts and accuracy as well.
Setting foot in the ring now.
And Stratton's just rubbing it in her opponent's face now. I respect it. See a kick out there.
Nice. Roll through.
Oh, they got the arm.
Disarm her. Disarm her. Oh, nowhere to go. Nowhere to hide. Could be tap time.
This is the worst.
That's one way out of the disarmor.
Over the top backstabber.
Telling her opponent that she has even more left in her tank.
Ridiculous standing shooting star.
2.
And a major victory in her career tonight.
Here are your winners.
They went the extra mile in this win.
I agree. What a win.
This really felt like it was about more than just winning. This was about making a statement, putting everyone in the division on notice.
And that statement was they're here to win, Saxton.